Hi everyone, my name is Ruksar Nagra. Today I'm going to unbox new trail camera. Let's see what's in the box. I'm gonna start unboxing this. This is 4K Lite digital wildlife camera, and you can connect with the Wi-Fi Toguard H90. Let's see what's inside the box. Very nice packed. The boxes look nice. Toguard card. If you like the product, you can send them an email, and if you don't like it, you can send them an email. They will give you full refund. That's nice. Gift card as usual, and these are the stickers to put it up on the camera or even on the sensors. Let's see. That's the camera look like. Very nice, impressive. Hard plastic cover. Let's see what's in the accessory. Okay, mountain, a belt, you can put your camera on the top. That's the holder, and screws, cable to transfer your data or even charge the batteries, and that's the manual book. Very impressive. That's everything in the box, and that's the plate. I think it normally take 8 batteries, I think. Yep. For the 8 batteries, that's the memory card going there. That's the switch on and off button. Nice, made easy, menu short, replay. Okay, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends. I'll bring next time new product for the unboxing. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.